Welcome everyone who wants to learn how to use Kaito properly. After watching this, you'll get full tips and details to help you understand everything, and if you put in the effort, you can even rank. I've worked hard on this guide, so I need a little help from your side. Just like and share the video with as many friends as you can. The like target is 150, at least hit 100, I know you'll do it. Let's talk about airdrops. Sometimes you get amazing rewards, and sometimes not so much. No matter how good a project looks, it really depends on the team behind it. Many people just throw around the word alpha, but real alpha is when a project delivers a solid airdrop at the end. Now comes the most important part. Understand this clearly. If you're farming an airdrop, complete it fully. Turn it green. For example, with Blash airdrop, it's a depin-based airdrop. But if you're also active on Kaito and doing yapping, you get extra rewards. So what is Kaito yapping? Kaito ranks you. If you qualify in those ranks, you can get better airdrop allocation. Those who know about Kaito already understand how valuable this is. Now here's the truth. In Kaito, there are two parts, yaps and mint share. Most people think you only get airdrops based on collecting yaps. That's wrong. You can have 0 yaps and still qualify for airdrops. So what's important? You need to collect mint share. That's what gives you pre-TGE airdrops. Many big projects like Magic, Neutron, Bless, Anoma, Ha Network, they've all announced a portion of supply for Kaito mint share users. So how do you collect Kaito yaps and mint shares? First, log in with Twitter on Kaito. Then when you reply to project tweets, or post quality tweets about projects, you get yaps and mint shares. Let me be clear, just yapping for a few days won't get you massive airdrops. You need effort and time. Your results depend on your Twitter followers and how many meaningful replies and engagements you get. If you want to rank high, you'll need to post quality content, gain followers, and get replies. That's how you build mint share. Low effort posts won't work. You need to research each project, write original posts, and create value. If you have fewer than 5,000 followers, focus on replying to good project tweets with high-quality replies. Try replying to 300 different posts but avoid copy-pasting the same message. Each reply should be meaningful, ask questions, share insights, and get the poster to reply to you back. That increases your chances of ranking. And remember, don't just say stuff like G Bless or G Mira. That works for accounts with 10,000 plus followers, but not for small ones. If you have 1,000 or fewer followers, you need to grind and be unique. Check the leaderboard regularly. Even if you're not in the top 100, top 500 still gets you airdrops. Like Bless has openly said, top 500 users will receive tokens. So don't give up if you're not in the top 100. You might be 300 or 400, and still qualify. You can also use tools like GOM XYZ to track your stats. Just enter your Twitter handle and see your rank, mint share, and yaps. Sometimes the site might not work, but it's helpful when it does. So here's the strategy again, focus on mint share, not yaps. Even if you have 0 yaps, you can still qualify for pre-TGE airdrops based on your mint share. Projects often give 5% of total supply to Kaito mint share users. To grow mint share, create solid posts about new projects. Tag their official handles, include clear thoughts, and try to get replies from them. More views and engagement will lead to more mint share. If you're new, study the Twitter of someone with fewer followers who made it to the leaderboard. Check what kind of post they made and try to follow that quality. If you just copy-paste AI content or spam low-effort replies, you won't earn anything. Focus on original, meaningful comments. Use AI for help, but don't post AI-generated text directly. So are you ready to collect yaps and earn Kaito airdrops? Start today. If you've got over 10,000 followers, you'll rank faster. But even with fewer, if you grind, you'll get there. Everything I explained here would take you months to learn on your own. I gave it to you in one video. If anything's still unclear, check my Twitter. I share post examples and tips there. Just remember, Post, reply, engage. Low followers? Focus more on replies. High followers? Focus more on posts. Do both and you'll gain followers and qualify for airdrops. So if you were waiting to start, now's the time. Share this video with your friends. Follow on Twitter. Join the Telegram channel. Airdrops aren't going to farm themselves. Yapping is trending. Try it. Even small success in Kaito can lead to bigger rewards than normal airdrops. Smart users use both, airdrops plus Kaito, to double their chances. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe the channel.